Tesla underperformed the broader market today, February 5th. Ark Invest sees Tesla powering through battery cell constraints, and Tesla sends Indonesia investment proposal. Tesla is up 0.26% to $852 on volume of 18 million. I'm Adam, and you're watching Tesla After Hours. Ark Invest says Tesla is working the problem on batteries, and in 2022, Tesla itself will produce 100 gigawatt-hours of batteries, enough to supply 1.3 million vehicles. Indonesia is the world's biggest nickel producer, a material critical for EV batteries, and has been publicly wooing Tesla to invest in the country. Tesla seems to agree, as they have sent the country's deputy head for investment in mining cooperation a proposal. The two will meet virtually next week. Tesla is flat in after-hours trading, up 4.69% for the week, up 16.78% for the year, with a market cap of $807 billion. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on Monday after the markets have closed.